Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to go through the back extension, but all the variables that you'll need to take into account depending on how tall you are, whether or not you're using a weight or not. So the most important thing is making sure that you're getting the correct height. So with the height on this one, I know because I've used this machine so many times that I set this personally to number 4. So what we want to achieve is when we're setting the right height is, or setup position should go leaning forward. The back leg gets locked in at the very back. And then from here, this should sit just below the hips. So if I was to go over, I should be able to get the whole body directly over. Common mistakes that people make is if this is too high, then the hips are going to be sitting on the top pad, and then you're just going to be rounding the upper back, which we don't want. We want to try and bend from the hips here. All right. So let's reset that up. So number 4. Now, the other form mistake that people tend to make is most people tend to get lower back pain on this exercise. So if that's the case, most likely you're probably just arching too high. So what that means is if you're holding on, you're into position, and then you're coming all the way down, so you're getting a full stretch. Usually when people come up, they lift the head this way, and then as they come up, you'll see there's a big arch in that low back. And that's when people go, "Ooh, Shannon, my back hurts, what do I do?" So if that's you, the idea is you want to tuck the chin to the chest, and at this top position, you want to round over into this position. So the incorrect way, don't do this, is from here to this. You're going to have back pain. The correct position is from here, rounding over, and then you want to tuck the chin in and just squeeze through the glutes, and that is it. That is as far as you need to go. This will pretty much eliminate 99% of back pain. If you still get back pain in this position, probably not an exercise that you should be doing. Now, if you're using weight, the easiest way to do this is you want to lock the fingers together. So it's going to look like this, and then you want to have it around the weight like that. So what that looks like is here. Fingers are locked in, hands over. You're going to bring this to the chest, touch the chest, and exactly the same as before, all the way down, tucking in at the top, nice and easy, like so. Now, some people are going to be vertically challenged, so if that's you, and if you, no matter how low you set this, you just can't quite get high enough. So for example, if this, for me, was the very lowest setting, and it wouldn't go any lower than this, you can see that this is too high on my hips for the short people. A pair of yoga blocks will save your life. You pop these at the very bottom. You can even get 2 because this one's a bit longer. And then it's the exact same setup. So you pop the feet on here. This is going to push you higher because remember, this doesn't go any lower. Scoot the feet back. All right. And then you just made your own little booster. And now I'm directly above the top and I can get full stretch at the top and the bottom. Okay, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions on that, just let me know.